హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు చెప్పేటప్పుడు మా క్లాస్ 10th మ్యాథ్స్ essay 1 2025-26 పేపర్. సో సెక్షన్ 1 ఫస్ట్ వన్ SCF of 2 power 5 into 3 and 2 square into 101. సో ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరేషన్ మెథడ్లో SCF ఎలా తీసుకున్నంటే మా లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. సో ఇక్కడ లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వచ్చేసి 2 into 2 4. సో వాట్ ద ఆప్షన్ C. నెక్స్ట్, from the given graph y is equal p of x, find the number of zeros of the polynomial p of x. So p of x means polynomial with variable x. So curve ఎక్కడైతే x axis ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయిన పాయింట్ ఏమంటాం జీరోస్ అంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ x axis ఎక్కడైనా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుందంటే మా 1 2 3. how many zeros? 3 zeros. Next, if p of e is equal 0.95, what is the probability of not e? So probability of not e formula వచ్చేసి 1 minus p of e 1 minus 0.95, that is equal 0.05. Next, write the general form of quadratic polynomial in variable x. So general form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic means the degree is 2. Next, if a comma b are two positive integers, then which of the following relations between their SCF and LCM? So product of two numbers is equal product of their SCF and LCM. So what the option B. Next, generate a pair of linear equation which are consist. So consist means solutions ఉండడమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal 0, 5x plus 6y plus 9 is equal 0. సో ఇంకో విధంగా కూడా చేయొచ్చుమా, ఏంటంటే x plus y plus 10 is equal 0, 2x plus 2y plus 20 is equal 0. సో ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫినిటీ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ వన్ సొల్యూషన్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్, statement 1 is 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on is in an AP. Next, 5, 5, 5 and so on is not in AP. So 1 is true, statement 2 is false. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1లో కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ సేమ్, అలానే స్టేట్మెంట్ 2లో కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ సేమ్, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు నాట్ ఇన్ యాన్ ఏపీ అన్నాడు. సో ఆప్షన్ బి. ఇక్కడ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి డిఈ ఈజ్ ప్యారలల్ టు బీసీ and AD is to DB is equal to 2:3, then AE is to EC is equal option A. So ఇక్కడ by using BPT theorem, DE is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to A by EC. AD by DB and 2:3, then A by EC is also 2:3. So what the option A. Using any two trigonometric ratios, create a valid trigonometric identities. So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So another one, cosecant square minus cot square a is equal to 1. Next, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 506. Frame a quadratic equation to find the positive integer. So x and x plus 1 both are consecutive integers, so their product x of x plus 1 is equal to 506. So x into x, x square, x into 1, 1x is equal to 506. From the figure, find the value of h. So for this angle it is opposite, it is adjacent. So which ratio? tan 30 is equal to h by 10. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10. So 10 divided going to right side multiple, so that is h is equal to 10 by root 3. Next, sin 2a is equal to sin a is true when a is how much? 0. Next, create a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros minus 5 and 3. So sum of the zeros is minus 5, product of zeros is 3. So what are the zeros of quadratic polynomial? X square minus half alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is minus 5, that is x square minus half minus 5x plus 3, that is equal to x square plus 5x plus 3. Next, give the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So this equation we can compare it with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. So discriminant formula is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 6 whole square 36. 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24. 36 minus 24 12. 12 is greater than 0. Then the roots are positive and real. Next, state SSS criterion in a similarity of triangles. So SSS means side. So here take the triangle ABC and DF. AB by DE is equal BC by EF is equal CA by FD. Next, A student simplified sin 60 cos 30 sin 30 cos 60 as sin 60 cos 30 is equal to 3 by 4. Do you agree with this solution? No, I cannot agree. So sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. We can write as sin of 60 plus 30. Sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to how much? 1. So next, from the given figure, write the sin A and cos A. So sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A means sin ratio at angle A. For at angle A, opposite is BC, hypotenuse AC. That is 7 by 25. Cos A means cos ratio at angle. So adjacent by hypotenuse AB by AC. That is 24 by 25. Next, from the given figure, write the values of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation means the angle is formed above the horizontal line. Angle of depression means the angle is formed below the horizontal line. So AOC is angle of elevation, BOC is angle of depression. Next, find the zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 and explain what their values represent. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So what are the zeros? 4 comma minus 2. Next, write the formula to find the distance between 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2. So what are the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the midpoint of the line segment x1 y1 and x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, what is the probability of getting an even number when a dice is thrown once? Now create two such type of questions. So S is a dice is thrown, sample space, number of sample space is 6, favorable event A is an even number 2, 4, 6, n of A is equal to 3. Probability of getting an even number is P of A is equal to n of A by n of S is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, another questions, favorable event B is equal to an odd number, so B is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 3. Probability of getting an odd number is P of B is equal to n of B by n of S, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Favorable event C is a prime number 2, 3, 5, n of C is equal to 5. Probability of getting a prime number is n of C by n of S is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, write the formula to find a mode of group data and explain the terms in it. Mode of a group data, L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is lower boundary of model class, H is class size, F1 is frequency of model class, F0 is preceding frequency of model class, F2 is succeeding frequency of model class. Next, a box contains 3 blue, 2 white, 4 red balls. So what the probability of getting white ball and blue ball? So n of S is equal to 9, favorable event A is white ball, n of A is equal to 2, probability of getting a white ball is 2 by 9, favorable event B is blue ball, so probability of getting blue ball is 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. Next, discriminate, find the state the conditions of two distinct real roots. So if delta is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct roots. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are equal. Next, express secant A and tan A, secant A and sin A in terms of chord. So secant square A minus tan square is equal to 1. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Tan reciprocal is 1 by chord. So secant square A is equal to 1 plus 1 by chord square A. So secant A is equal to square root of chord square A plus 1 by chord square A. So secant A is equal to square root of chord square A plus 1 by cot A. So 1 by secant is cos. So that is cos A is equal to cot A by square root of cot square A plus 1. Next, sin A is 1 by cot square A plus 1. So sin A is equal to square root of 1 plus square root of 1 by cot square A plus 1. Next formula, nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. A is first term, d is common difference. N is number of, sum of n terms is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So another formula is also there, n by 2 of a plus l. So a is first term, l is last term. Next, 27. So the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 13 and the difference between altitude and base is 7. So hypotenuse is 13, base is equal to x, altitude is x minus 7. So how you can find by using the Pythagoras theorem. So that is x is equal to how much? 12. So base is 12, altitude is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Next, 29a. So in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to 90. Angle A common angle. By using angle similarity rule, triangle ABC is similar with triangle AMP. So by using CPST means corresponding parts of similar triangles. So CA by PA, next BC by PM, next B. By using contradiction method, prove that root 2 is an irrational number by using contradiction method. So root 3 is a simple rational number, that is A by B, A comma B are co-primes, B is not equal to 0. So here 3 is a factor of A, then B is also 3 factor of B. So 3 is a common factor of A and B. So our assumption is wrong. Root 3 is an irrational number. 30 am trisectional points. Trisection means the line segment is divided into 3 equal parts. AP is equal PQ is equal QB. So at P, what the ratio 1:2, at Q, what the ratio 2:1. So by using section formula, you can find P. So 2, minus 5 by 3, Q 0, minus 7 by 3. So Rahul is correct. Next 30B, 4 equal parts. So that means 3 points dividing the line segment into 4 equal parts. At P the ratio is 1:3, at Q the ratio is 2:2, at R the ratio is 3:1. So P is minus 1, 7 by 2, Q is 0, minus 5. R is 1, 13 by 2. Rina answer is correct. Next 31, sample space is 52, n of s is equal 52, king of red colors how many? 2. So what the probability? 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Face cards is 12, what the probability? 12 by 52, that is 3 by 13. Next jack of hearts 1 by 52, spade 13 by 52. నెక్స్ట్ 31. సో ఇక్కడ బిల్డింగ్ ఉంది, టవర్ ఉంది. బిల్డింగ్ ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ది బిల్డింగ్ నుంచి ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టవర్కి యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 60. ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టవర్ నుంచి టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది బిల్డింగ్కి యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ is 30. సో tan 30 is equal to h by d, d is equal to h root. So height of the tower is how much? 50 by 3. Next 32a, median formula. So class interval frequency CF. సో n by 2 is how much? 15 ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందమ్మా? 13 తర్వాత 19లో ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ ది మీడియన్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్? 55 to 60. L is 55, F is 6, so CF is 13. So median of the group data is how much? 56.66. Next 32b. So find the 11th term from the last term. So what the formula? L minus n minus 1 into 2, that is equal to how much? Minus 32. Next 33a గ్రాఫ్. ఇక్కడ సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటంటే 2, 2 ఇక్కడ ఏ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి? లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్కి ఏ షేప్ వస్తుంది? స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.